Good day traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. I hope you all have been having a profitable week. Please do not forget to like on my videos guys, and most importantly subscribe on my YouTube channel. And I wanted to say thank you guys for smashing on that subscribe button. So yeah, it keeps me motivated to share some trading videos and my analysis on how I do analyze. So in today's video we'll be doing a simple analysis on Euro USD and gold. I wanted to show you all how I do analyze. We are currently on our Euro USD 4-hour chart. What are we now doing? We'll be doing some analysis using pure price action, no indicators on our 4-hour time frame. So I had made a video on whereby I was talking why I always do my analysis on the 4-hour time frame or the higher time frame, and why I do guys. I'm telling you that you should also try and use the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame to do your analysis, as there is less noise and you'll be able to make more money. As you can see guys, we are on our Euro USD 4-hour chart. Euro USD is currently on an uptrend, meaning price is on a bullish trend. What do we then do, or how do we see when is the perfect time to enter this trade? We do not just enter anywhere guys. So let us start off with our analysis. First things first, before we do anything else, I prefer using this way when I do analyze sometimes whereby there's a much more simpler way you can be able to see what your key areas or your resistance and support much more simple, because sometimes you cannot see it clearly the way it is guys. I prefer to use a line graph. I just switch over on my line graph, and then I mark my key levels whereby price came and I mark my strong resistance and support using this way before switching over. Let me try and show you all. Here our strong resistance, which is now will be our support, because back here it was our resistance, whereby price came and entered and bounced before breaking, and it came back again and bounced. So yeah, we are now much more confident that in this era price is more likely to come back, since it is a very strong resistance, or it will be now a strong support. As you can see guys, price had made a breakout error. This was another place where price bounced even right here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, like we can now switch over, meaning our key level will be this area in between here, whereby we will draw our rectangle, since as you know guys, we might be having weeks touches on this area. So what do we do now? We just switch over and see if we are correct. So as you can see guys, this is where we will expect price to come and make a reversal before pushing up again. So we can now take our rectangle and draw on this key level here. What do I then expect now? I'll be expecting price to come at this key level here, whereby I have just marked it with with my rectangle. Sorry about that guys. And then let me remove this line so that it will be much more clear. Let me increase it. All right, yeah. So as you can see guys, we'll be expecting price to come on this key level or on this support here, which was previously was our resistance, but now since price price made a breakout, now it is our support. We'll be expecting for price to come and make a touch here before pushing on the upper side again. We'll wait for this pair to mature. Even after price comes on our support here, just wait for it to give us our entry properties, which is our confirmation candlestick, and we should expect that price might make double bottom. So let me try and show you all. Be expecting for price to come and make a charge and then come back right here before moving up again at this key level, whereby it will come and make a W or a double bottom. we enter on our first chance right here, but then if ever you do miss entry, you will wait for another entry right here before price does what, before price moves up. So currently this is what we will be predicting on Euro USD. So let us switch over on another pair, which is gold. So yeah, guys, it is as simple as that. We do not complicate what our charts. So let us switch over on gold and do some analysis there. Let me remove this. So what we do then, we'll switch over on our line graph and then what, mark some key levels. Let me try and reduce this as it is not relevant anymore. So what then do we do? Let us put our trend line here so that we'll be able to predict what our dead touch. As you know, guys, we always use what, our 2 previous peaks. Let me put here. Yeah, the rest will align. What then do we expect? We will be expecting what, for price to come right here and make what, at the touch on our trend line before doing what, before price moving up again. So we should expect what, price to make what's a double bottom or a W before moving up. Why do I say that? If ever we can try and look on gold how it moves, it just doesn't just touch once and go down like that. So gold normally does what, double bottoms or W's before it moves. So what we'll be expecting, we'll be expecting for price to move until it reaches our trend line here before doing that, before moving up again. Nothing complicated. So the next thing we have to do now is wait for this setup to mature. That is for today's video. I hope you find something useful, and please do not forget to hit on that subscribe button. If ever you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe right now. See you on the next video.